So we're going to start same like a driving test. First of all, we're going to do pre-driving check. Pre-driving check means I'm going to ask you the basic function of the car.
Okay.
Let's start now.
Indicator.
Show me front the mister, back the mister, hand brake, brake. Yeah. When you feel safe, when you're ready, take a Vic Road exit, please. Take a right here, please. We're going to take next left again, please. We're going to take next left again, please. Make a U-turn, you need to go back. Actually, I said it to you, turn left. So we need to go that way. Yeah. Make sure even in the driving test, if they say to you turn left, if you took a right, that's not problem as well. So you can miss 2 time directions. So we're going to take next right again, please. Make sure when you go from the shopping center, keep your car little speed, you're a little bit slow, because anyone can come from anywhere and it could be a problem. So always make sure whenever you go close to the shopping center where there is too many cars, take a next left, too many shops, keep your car a little bit slow down and keep your eye everywhere. Make sure this type of if the people they came, if somebody just front of you, then you need to give way. If somebody side of you, you don't need to give way. Keep in left line, please. When the road divided into 2 line, please stay in left line, please, and keep going straight from traffic light. Make sure always you need to give way to pedestrian where there is a pedestrian crossing. If on the road somebody just crossing, especially in the if somebody crossing in the turning point, it's your choice. You need to give way or you don't want to give way. It's your choice. But if somebody just come front of you, then yes, we can't run our, so always you need to give way to them. Always make sure check your center mirror whenever you pressing the brake. Mirror brake, mirror brake. This is very important to check. We're going to take next right again, please. Make sure always whenever you give your indicator, first check the mirrors, then give an indicator. If you're going right, check your center mirror, check your right mirror, then give your right indicator. So we're going to take right here. To take next left again, please. Make sure in the deer park you need to be very careful about there is lots of small road and turning roads, and you need to careful about the lines. Don't follow the road, you just need to follow the lines. Keep going straight from roundabout. Very good, well done. So always make sure when you go from the roundabout, if always check left and right for looking. This road is, you need to be very careful about here, because some students they start to go straight, but this road is turning. So here lots of students they fail because they follow the road, they don't follow the line, and they just start to go straight. When you feel safe, when you're ready, do a 3-point turn, please. No need to go too much back. When you think you can go, you just need to go back. So 3-point turn. There is a 2 type of the 3-point turn: curb to curb 3-point turn and the driveway 1 3-point turn. So this one we did curb to curb 3-point turn. Always when you're doing curb to curb 3-point turn, make sure give your left indicator, pull our left hand side close to the curb, and just stop for 1 second, and after that give your mirror, right indicator, right shoulder check, and then go right hand side, and then after that reverse and just go back. this type of this thing I was talking about in driving test. Make sure during your driving, if you're going to touch the curb, that would be the end of the test. Suppose if you are in the test and you will touch this type of the curb, straight away they're going to say to you, please pull over to left hand side, because it's a really big critical error. It's immediately termination. Take a right here. We're going to take next right again, please. Make sure, this is very big mistake as well. So you can't stop after crossing the line, you need to stop behind the line. So if the tester is going to be here in this situation, because this is very big mistake as well, because you cross the line, so you're not allowed. Always you need to stop behind the line. So whenever you're turning left or right, going to take next right again, please. When you feel safe, when you're ready, please pull over to left hand side. Very good, well done. So this one is going to be your first stage. After 10 minutes they're going to say to you, when you feel, after doing 3-point turn or reverse parallel parking, they're going to choose one of them, and after that they're going to say to you, when you feel safe, when you're ready, please pull over to left hand side. And after that your second stage is going to be start. In the second stage they're going to say to you, when you feel safe, when you're ready, keep going straight, please. Make sure whenever you start to move, you need to check your mirrors, you need to give your right indicator, and you need to do right shoulder check just before moving. So whenever your car go to stationary position, always make sure check your mirror, give your right indicator, and then start to move. Take next left again, please. Very good, well done. Make sure always follow the lines, never follow the road, because this road is a little bit turning. It's look like you need to go straight, but you don't need to go straight, you just need to follow. So we're going to take next left again, please. white line, please. What is speed limit here?
60.
Speed limit is 70 here.
Okay.
So make sure follow 70. 70 means if the speed limit is 70, drive more than 60, between 60 to 65. 5, keep it for safe side. Next right from roundabout place. Make sure check your mirrors, then indicator. Always check your mirror first, then give your indicator. It was a safe gap because look, that car is going front of that car, so they're not going to come this side. So this type of this situation you can go because you don't need to wait, because this car is going straight in the roundabout and they're not coming right. If they go, because if they're coming, their right indicator is on, then you need to wait. If their right indicator is on, not on, you don't need to wait because they're not coming on your way, they're just going straight. Very good, well done. Here the road work is going on. Make sure always whenever you see the sign, if you see a speed limit is changing, if speed limit is 60 to 40, make sure start to decrease your speed limit before, not after. But because if you're going to decrease your speed limit after the sign, it's going to be over speed. So make sure always you need to start to decrease your speed limit before the speed sign, and you need to increase your speed limit after the speed sign. What speed limit are you driving on?
Now it's 40, but
now it's 60. Very good,
Yeah.
well done.
So how to start accelerate the car?
Make sure 60 here, no more than 60 as well. Overspeeding is straight fail as well. We're going to make a U-turn from this roundabout place. Make sure always choose one line. You're driving a little bit middle of the both line. So always keep your car in one line. So when you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left line, please. Make sure you missing the shoulder check. Always you need to do shoulder check. Check your mirror, then indicator, then shoulder check, and then move. Then first complete your shoulder check and then start to move. Make sure, look what you did in this roundabout. You was in a left line, and this is 2-line roundabout. You come to right line, and after that again you was in a right line, and without giving any indicator, any sign, you come to left line. Make sure if you want to change the line, you need to change it proper way. You need to check your mirrors, you need to give your indicator, then you need to do shoulder check, then you need to change. You can't move just like here and there without giving any indicator. So in the driving test, it's a very big mistake they count, and they fail straight away, because suppose the car is coming here, the people they follow the sign, people they follow the signal, and look which one is your line. Your line is this one.
Yeah, this one.
Again, make sure in Bandura there is a double line roundabout. The people they get confused here. So that's why I come to here you to show you the Bandura testing route. So here make sure if you are in left line, keep in left line. So always follow the line, don't follow the road, because the line is turning. So you just follow your line. So we're going to take next left again, please. What speed limit here?
It's 40.
Did you see the 40 sign?
Yeah, school times.
Is it now school time?
I don't think so.
No, school time is 8 o'clock to 9:30, 2:30 to 4 o'clock. So you can't follow the speed limit. You can't drive on a 60 zone 40. So make sure this is not a school time. So you need to follow 60. If you can guess it's a main road, then follow 60. If you can't guess it's a main road, follow 50 anywhere. Wherever you going, if you don't see any speed sign, follow 50. If you don't know, they follow 50, and if you know, just follow that speed limit. Always residential area, the speed limit is 50. The main road speed limit is 60. If you know this is residential area, keep your speed limit 50. If you think it's a main road, keep your speed limit 60. If you can't guess anything, keep your speed limit everywhere 50. And when you see the sign, after crossing that sign, then start to follow that speed limit. Make sure check your center mirror whenever you're pressing the brake. When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to right line, please. Left line, please. Next traffic light, turn right, please. No, make sure here this road is very confusion road. Here most of the students they get confused, because here the three lines they are going right. So this line is going, most of the students they think this line is not going right and this line is going straight and they start to move. No, because they're keeping in this line, they want to keep you off. When you're going to turn, they're going to keep you in the left line, because all these three lines they're going right.